What's up guys, AK Crazy Russian with DCCTRAIN. This video for members, and I just want to say from my heart thank you for supporting channel. Looks like I'm back on track. Layout remodeling, actually building pretty much from scratch with some older pieces, like a little bit kicked me out of the schedule, but here I go. We'll do definitely more videos, and if you leave the specific question, which topic, and maybe you have a specific question, I'll do it for you. So here we go. In the previous video, top camera, about decoder body, light test board. So what it is, it's just a board with all outputs connected to LEDs, and it's about shooting. I use my tester, a very high quality tester. It shows me 2.66 to 2.7, and that's optimum for LEDs I'm using right now. So the problem was, even I'm doing this, oh my goodness, with ASU for 15 years, when they brought the programmer, I believe at Cincinnati train show, something like that. Anyway, I want to show you a few tips. So you probably watched the video, and if it's not the previous video, how cool it is. The board, I'm setting up all functions and functions outputs, remapping functions if I want, and I'm testing it. So before I'm soldering all that crazy Russian style wires, I able to just to see how it's everything working. But in this particular file, and this is for SD70, I'll take it back. Actually, I'm going to look at it right now. So downloads. This is for, the file name is S0776. So diesel AMD 12 late EXH. You know guys, some very particular on the sounds, and I am. So then this is for my customer. I just want a 100% result. It's not a problem, but kind of difficulties I have from the beginning, and I'm usually good on, and I did it very quick recovering. But if you're not familiar, or you just got the programmer and start ASU programming decoders ASU, we'll go to Windows, and that's the programmer. Make sure you checking for latest firmware, the programmer version, of course, and I did it. Checking connections and everything's cool. So when I install that board, set the program, everything went to the test mode. So go, turning functions, F6 to auxiliary outputs, and when I press the horn button, now it's correct. They start alternating. But original file wasn't set up like that, and that's the quick answer for you. So you're going to the decoder. When you going to the decoder, the power, it will turn on right away. Going to decoder, and you see it disappear. And that I already changed it for you, so you can see it. The logical function, so I have function 2 usually for the horn, physical outputs, I don't need any physical outputs because I'm controlling them with only forward with F6 button. That's auxiliary 1, auxiliary 2. Okay, so this is set up from the beginning. And the properties, it wasn't alternating, just they turning on. But what you need to do, you need to select logical function, and there are a bunch of them. That's story for another day. So you need to select grade crossing. Okay, program again. I'm not going to do it because it's already programmed. I'm just showing to you. Then in the functions outputs, because my ditch lights on auxiliary 1 alternate phase, grade crossing, and LED mode, they kind of turning like on and off much smoother. And same thing here, except for auxiliary 2, it's not opposite to alternate phase, so now they start flashing. All right. And another tip, I like that speed, but I like just a little bit faster, personally. And I watched few videos recently, UP actually flashing the lights too. I'm like, ditch lights, like what? Yes, someplace, not sure where, but yes, UP engine, usually they not, they just on, they flashing, but CSX always flashing. So you're going to function settings, see in this frequency for blinking effects. I will go just a little bit faster. So here we go, 32 1.6, and I'll program it and I'm going to show you. So write all information here, takes about 5 seconds. Depends on the file and speed of your computer. Not much anymore, but still. Okay, so we're going to the it's already on, and testing mode, and F2. A little bit faster, that's what I mean, just a little bit. That's really nice. So that's the tip, 2 tips of the day, easy recover, and that's how cool that board. So I know everything, all my functions mapped, and everything's working before I'm going to solder all those wires. And I individually test them, and I put them on a long run, about like for several hours, make sure LEDs is working. So I think I even left for like overnight, you know, just in case. And that will be all for today. Again, thanks for supporting business and channel. I have also Patreon page. I'm going to publish this video as well. It will be edited because I don't think so I can publish the same link, but you can, all membership videos will be on Patreon. And if you just want to say thank you, that's PayPal on the right. So Merry Christmas, New Year is coming. I have a couple of days off. We'll do more videos. Have a good one. Bye bye.